Hey y'all, welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel with another episode of Dicking Around in the Shed. Tires, I'm just tired. I'm always tires. We're changing the tire on Lucille, rear tire. So first thing we gotta do is clean this mess up. Well, I kinda moved some stuff to get to my jack. I've been busy. Well, I've been piddling. Run that intro. Alright, well, step one is you got to take your saddlebags off. But I want to show you this side so I can show you the wiring mess. Alright, let me get you in here so you can see. Alright, these are all lights on the sides and back. That's some of the plug. That's some of the plug. And that's the new plug that I put in that I didn't show you. That's the plug we did away with the flux capacitor and put the 24 flux capacitor in. Plug-in 2000, S2000, I don't know what I'd call it. Anyway, that's what we gotta do, unplug all these. That one's kind of hard to get to. Most of them's pretty easy. Then you pick it up, just kind of set it a little bit, and then you grab that and pull it, and it comes out. Easy peasy. Not really. Alright. Better than some. Alright, now, see how you can see my wiring. That's not touching nothing in there no more. Alright. Got it. So now we get the jack and jack it off. Jack it up. Not off. We take the wheel off. We jack the bike up. Yeah. As you noticed, she's kind of low on this side. Push it up. Slide that over. Come over that way some. And then I like to double check. Make sure I'm under the frame. Good. Which I'm not. I gotta come in a little bit more. You know, safety third around here. Let it down. Write it down. Push it in a little bit more. I believe I got it that time. Give it a little shake. Double check. Double check, triple check. Check, check. 1, 2. That'll hold it. Alright. Now we gotta find our tools. I like to take my shock off. Makes it easier. Letting it up and down. I can't remember which one I take off first. It's dirty. Dirty girl. I don't think I can get. Alright, let me get my tools together. Alright folks, we on this side. I got my brake loose. I ain't took it off yet. You need a screwdriver. There's a C-clip right here. You can use it to pop it off easy. There you go. Safety clip. You put it that way you don't lose it. And now we can loosen the boat up. And take my brake caliper off. And then I can just jack it up and the tire should fall out from under it. So let's loosen that boat. I believe I can. do it from this side. I hope. Should have got a, I thought I had a 36 millimeter. Nope, that ain't gonna work on that side. Like I said, this way you can lower the bike up and down. I had to raise it up to get the caliper off. Lay it back down. That's when you unhook your shocks. And then we can keep your stuff in line. You got a cam on the other side. You just pull it out. And I gotta let it down just a little bit more. And you come right past the that thingy right here. Saddlebag holder upper. And now everything should be undone. Except for the jack it up some now. And get your, yeah, a little bit more. Long jack hole. Watch your spacers, washers and all. Spacers, washers, everything. Get that brake caliper thingy out of the way. Got it. Your speed wheel sensor on this side for your ABS and stuff. And then up and away we go. Easy as that. Hold it hard enough to get the, ooh, we ain't. You want to make me out of wire. There it goes. Getting the rail off. And now your wheel's free and you just jack it up so you can get it out. Maybe a little bit more. I never get it on the first try. That's why we do everything nice. We do it twice. There you have it. I can't move. I got it. It's not too bad, but I am cupping and getting down on one side, so I'm getting down on one side. It's almost to the wear marks, but there's it there. So it's not really cupping, and no, we don't need to take that with us. Take that off. I can just leave those in there. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Well, that's it. As you can see, you know, wearing on this side, and it's also just wearing. I mean, I still got, usually wear out the middle before you do the sides. You know, I do a lot of curvy roads. Let me go get this tire fixed. Tire ain't changed. Well, YouTube, if you want some good hand cleaners, go to sweetpatina.com to pick you up some TKO hand cleaners. TKO hand cleaners. Use PFS64. That's Pudding Fab Shops 64. His code, and you save you 15%. Yeah, they're good hand cleaners. Or maybe you just send them a message and say, hey, Blue Bike North need his own promotion code, because he's showing us how good they are. Anyway, let me let Lucille down so she don't fall. She's scared of heights, you know. And I'm gonna run and get my tire fixed. Be back so shortly. Probably not, but for you, be like. Well, folks, I saved myself $40 by doing it myself, because Lee would have, well, you probably would have had to wait on him to get time to do it, because they was changing a tire when I was down there, and he stopped what he was working on a stereo, but they'll take, if you bring your tire down at the Davis Cycle tire and wheel, or buy a tire from him, but you bring the wheel down there to him, he'll mount it for $42 with the disposal fee of the old tire. So it ain't bad. If I took it back down there, probably have to wait a week, and $82 for the disposal fee. So anyway, we did pretty good. We got it back on there. It's true and straight. I'm gonna do some cleaning up. I'm gonna go eat me something first, and see how all that dirt, that Sweet Patina, sweetpatina.com, Sweet Patina TKO hand cleaners, cleans your grease off your hands, or dirt and grime, and yeah, it does all that. Might need to get another one. This one's about used up. I was dirty tar, dirty girl. Spike a butt, she's a dirty girl. She won't be long. I'll clean her up and get her ready for our next adventure, which I don't know what it'll be. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button right here, and we'll go tar around some more. Round and round and round the world we go.